Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost Vape trick. First, take a slow, deep draw from your vape device, filling your mouth with a dense cloud of vapor. Hold it there for a few seconds, letting it thicken without inhaling into your lungs. This initial step is crucial for creating the solid, visible vapor needed for a clear ghost. Make sure your device is producing a good amount of vapor for the best results. Once you have a good amount of vapor in your mouth, keep it there. Do not inhale it into your lungs at this stage. Next, gently form your lips into a small O shape, almost as if you are about to whistle. Use your tongue to subtly push the vapor towards the opening of your lips. This creates the perfect setup for the next step, ensuring a controlled release. Now for the magic. With your lips in that O shape, quickly and gently push a small, dense ball of vapor out of your mouth. The key is to not exhale forcefully. Immediately after the vapor ball emerges, quickly suck it back into your mouth. This rapid push and pull motion is what creates the distinct ghost effect, making the vapor appear and then vanish. Mastering the ghost trick takes practice, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen on your first try. Experiment with how long you hold the vapor and the speed of your push and pull. Different vape devices and e-liquids can also affect the density and visibility of your ghost. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.